Hi everybody, today in Computers 8, here's what you're going to need to do. First of all, we'll be returning to code.org to continue on with Lesson 6, which is dealing with sprites. Remember, in Lesson 6, you're supposed to do numbers 1 through 14, number 14 being the snake in jail. Remember with this one, look at your code down below here. The order that the code is written is the order that the code commands will be executed in the program. Draw sprites doesn't always have to be at the bottom. What happens if you move it up in the stack? What happens if you move the text down? Those should be two great hints if you haven't approached this problem yet with the snake. After number 14, what you're going to need to do today, since I'm not there to check these off, please screenshot your code and hopefully the display area as well of the game lab so I can see that you successfully completed the challenge. Screenshot it and then just send it to me in an email. Make sure in the email that you list your paired programming partner's name or names if you're in one of our groups of 3. So after you've completed number 14, everything through 14 in Lesson 6, you can go on to 15. Now we did look at this previously a little bit, but in number 15 they introduce you to the concept of sprite scenes, where they want you to create a scene with at least 2 sprites, a background, and some text. Now when you go on to 16, you'll notice that Lesson 6, numbers 16, 17, and 18 are all connected together. They're linked together. You're taking one problem and breaking it down into 3 steps. So here in number 16, they're going to have you add a background and a shape command. So things like rectangles or ellipses or whatever. And the background as well. Background is required. Shapes aren't. When you go to 17, because again, these are linked. Remember the little peanut icon. It means these 3 are linked together. When you go to number 17, this is where you're going to want to add your sprites. Emphasis on the S. We need more than 1. You need to have at least two sprites. If you don't remember how to draw sprites, how to make them come to life, how to create the variable, create the sprite, set an animation, and a scale, go back to number 11, where you did the kite. Right, number 11, remember, you defined the variable, which is a label, kite. You created the sprite. You did a set animation to pull that bee image or a kite image, in your case, over here to the code. Then you scaled it up or scaled it down as you needed. So remember, you need to define the variable and create the sprite, then set the animation, and then set the scale. So you'll need to do that on your own with your paired programming partner or partners as you work on 16, 17, and 18. 17 again wants you to add those 2 sprites. 18 is the last one of the 3, and they want you to add text using fill and text size as necessary to change the appearance of your text. Once you're done with that, once again, you will be allowed to submit the assignment. Now, if you submit it, you won't be able to change it or edit it. You'll have to unsubmit it before they'll let you do that. But again, just like earlier, run your program, take a screenshot of your program and your code, and email it to me again with you and your paired programming partner's names in the message as well. That's how I'll check things off this time. Screenshot and send it to me in an email. Now, if you finish everything in Lesson 6, you are welcome to go on to Lesson 7 and check out the draw loop, where you'll be introduced to the draw function and something called frame rate. There is a video with our friend Amara. We'll watch this video together in class with her next time. But if you'd like to work on this on your own with your paired programming partner today, you can. Otherwise, if you'd like something else to do, take a little break from the coding, you can go to our student launch page and find Typing Agent. The link to Typing Agent is here, and you can check out the all-new Typing Agent. It's live, it's ready to go, it's recording in progress. You'll note that there's different lessons and activities than in the past. Feel free to check it out with an emphasis on the home row keys, ASPF on your left hand and JKL semicolon on your right hand. practice those home row keys because next week we'll be having our first quarter technique evaluation. Please be good for the sub today. If you have any questions, you can send me an email, but I'm not really going to be checking it all day, but you can check in with me and hopefully we can answer your question before next time. All right? Be good for the sub. Have a great day.